Hi, this is Keith Smith. This is a Membership Services Squad update for the V1 design. I'm showing the design doc for this design. You can find the link if you go to Fab 447. The link is just at the top of the description. So let me just mention a couple of things about the design here, some of the goals. We want to make it very pluggable so that folks can use it in a la carte fashion. You can use all of it, some of it, or none of it. We also don't want to reinvent the wheel. We're planning on using CFSSL for generating ecerts, which supports PKCS11, and HA has a database, so there's a lot of work already done for us for future features that we wanted to support anyway. The T-cert generation is unique to membership services, so we will we'll package this in the new server that we're implementing. Number 3, we're doing a decentralized model in which there are multiple roots of trust. Currently, there's only a single root ECA, TCA, TLSCA root certificates. If you look for more information in Fab 359 and Fab 360, you can see the direction we're taking. Some of this will change slightly with some of the repackaging we're doing, but the basic idea will remain the same. Also, we want to support standard protocols wherever possible. For example, the ACME protocol, which is used by Let's Encrypt, is very useful to be able to issue server-based certificates, and you can see that as you read through this document, you'll see that we have the ability from the command line to be able to issue server-based certificates by talking to Let's Encrypt. This document is divided into 3 main sections. There are COP-related CLI commands. There's a COP library APIs. The CLI commands are generally just a thin wrapper around the library APIs. This enables us to run the COP library in multiple executables. It'll be available to run in both a COP executable as well as the peer and orderer executables. So it'll make ease of use a little better. Also, this is a document in progress, so I haven't filled out much of the use cases end-to-end flows, but I'll be doing that, so you can look at this document later. We are beginning to work in the next sprint on some of the first 2 executables that are mentioned here, the COP server init self-sign, which enables you to use self-signed certificates. So this is typically what you'd want to do in a development environment when you don't have your own CA and you don't need to have CA certificates. And the next one will be using Let's Encrypt. LEGO stands for Let's Encrypt in Go. It's a Go client code which we'll be able to reuse. The nice thing about this is that it does, when it sends a request, a CSR request, certificate request to Let's Encrypt server, then Let's Encrypt sends back a challenge to the local host so that you can prove that you own this host name. So they're able to automate the approval process for issuing certificates. And as we progress, we'll continue on with these other CLI utilities. So you should be able to follow how we're progressing through this work by following this document. That's it for this week. Thanks.